English news for learners. Today is February 6th. Today we talk about TSMC in Kumamoto. We also look at Toyota's record sales. Let's begin the news. 熊本の半導体工場. TSMC is a famous chip maker from Taiwan. They are building a second factory in Kumamoto. This factory will make advanced AI chips. These chips are called 3-nanometer semiconductors. They are very small and powerful. They are essential for many things. Smartphones, AI, and self-driving cars use them. The project costs about $17 billion. This is a very large investment for Japan. TSMC's chairman met with the Prime Minister. They talked about this plan on February 5th. The first factory already started working in 2024. This new project makes Japan more important. Japan will play a big role in the global chip industry. This helps with economic security. It also creates many new jobs in Kumamoto. People are very excited about this technology. Next topic. トヨタの記録的な販売台数. Toyota is the world's top automaker. They had a great year in 2025. They sold 10.5 million vehicles globally. This is a new record for the company. Many people are buying hybrid cars now. Hybrid sales made up 42% of the total. However, fully electric cars were only 2%. The demand for hybrids is growing fast. Sales were very strong in the United States. Sales in India also helped the company. Toyota will release its profit results this Friday. Experts expect a profit of over 1 trillion yen. Even with high sales, the profit is similar to last year. Toyota continues to lead the global car market. They are focusing on what customers want. Many drivers prefer hybrids over electric cars today. This strategy is working well for Toyota. Moving on to our third story. Tokyo Creative Salon 2026. Tokyo Creative Salon is a large festival. It is the biggest creative event in Japan. The dates for 2026 are now official. The festival starts on March 13th. It will end on March 22nd. The event happens in 9 areas of Tokyo. This includes popular places like Shibuya and Ginza. Last year, over 1 million people visited. The city becomes an open-air stage. You can see fashion, art, and technology. The theme for this year is Future Vintage. It looks at how old culture meets the future. The festival happens during the cherry blossom season. This is a beautiful time to visit Tokyo. Many designers and artists will show their work. It is a great chance to see Japanese creativity. The event is free for everyone to enjoy. Next up. 新しいプラスチックのリサイクル技術. Sumitomo Chemical has a new technology. They are working with a partner company. They launched a way to recycle acrylic plastic. This material is used for signs and cars. Usually, it is difficult to recycle this plastic. But now, they can turn waste into new material. The quality is the same as new plastic. This process is better for the planet. It reduces greenhouse gas emissions by half. This helps create a circular economy. In this system, we reuse waste instead of throwing it away. They tested the technology in a pilot plant first. The tests were very successful in Japan. Now they are ready for commercial use. This is a big step for the environment. Japan is leading in green technology like this. We can hope for a cleaner future with these ideas. And finally, 白黒映画のブーム. There is a new trend in Japanese cinema. Young filmmakers are choosing to shoot in black and white. These are often independent or indie movies. One new movie is called Michiyuki. It was recently released in monochrome. Most modern movies are full of bright colors. However, these directors like the simple style. They say it helps tell more emotional stories. The black and white look is poetic and classic. It reminds people of movies from the 1950s. Viewers can focus on the characters' voices. They can also focus on the passage of time. The PIA Film Festival is supporting this trend. This festival helps young creators in Japan. The trend was highlighted in news reports today. Cinema fans are enjoying this artistic choice. It shows that old styles can still be fresh. It is an exciting time for Japanese film. Today we learned about many topics. We talked about technology, cars, and art. We also learned about recycling and movies. Keep practicing your English every day. Listening is a great way to improve. Thank you for listening to episode 52. See you next time.